tripping streak got you weak. I'm an illusionist of a charged drum. Trimming the black, checking the check. I'm a hijacking the boy stacks. Trippy and giant, tracking lobster in mine. Feeling tranquil. Trimming the black, checking the check. I'm a hijacking the boy stacks. Cocaine, whoa. Cocaine, whoa. I'm a closing encyclopedia, draining out with my lyric studio. Tick tock, Dre post, fake note. Tick tock, white dot manifest mode. Thinking the thinking, thinking the thinking. Playing roadies of thought overdose, been with Fenton. Productivity inventing. X in the comma in time, saying mama's flute chimes. Thoughts please get lost, thoughts please just fuck off. Drilling, the third unit pulling. I'm a closing encyclopedia, draining out with Miller Studio. Tick tock, Dre post, fake note. Tick tock, white dot manifest mode. Crafting with the true ink, though love potion just stinks. Fridge magnet won't lie, he was mute yet chaos and cries. Nightingale skies, her whisperings gone wild. Evasted and now out of sight. Okay, we learned, okay, we grew. Drafting non-vanishable memories folder with brew. On a lane, it's a bar, pretty cool, yeah, not so far. Highs and lows I can sense, just go blick call outs in my mind, always dance. Emollient epitome am I, or stoic in Kalyuk entropy reign. Just saw in cards, I lost one. Life shuffled in, it's restart. I initiate daydreaming, how vicissitude throws the dart. Stuck in loop, kinda introvert hula hoop. The more I think, the more I tired. The more I tried, the more I desired. And desire once again made my thoughts fire. I'm more ubiquitous cause of my